everyone. Today, we are thrilled to reconnect with our alumni who are here for their convocation. These talented individuals were the founding members of Sounds of Bennett Club, shaping the legacy of the club and Times School of Media. Let's hear about their journey, cherished memories, and how these experiences have shaped them prepared for a life beyond Bennett University. So, hi Shreya.
Hi.
So, the first question is, how does it feel when you're finally graduating?
It feels actually great. I'm all nostalgic, I'm emotional and also very happy at the same time because this is the day what we have waited for when we began this journey, and now it's finally here. So it also feels a little empty that you're leaving this place and the people that you saw for 3 years. But yeah, it's a good feeling at the end of the day.
Honestly, it feels surreal because we've been thinking about this day till last night, and now that it's finally here, it's unbelievable to think that we're saying goodbye to this place.
हो गई डिग्री. This is my only reaction. हो गई डिग्री बता रही है 3 साल and it feels amazing and it's a bittersweet feeling क्योंकि we won't be able to come back that often जितना हम हुआ करते थे.
So, what's the one thing you will miss about being a student at Bennett University?
I'm going to miss my people because at work that's not what you see. I'm going to miss the people and the faces that I saw for 3 years because I'm sure they're going to move on with their lives. So yeah, that's what I'm going to miss.
Honestly, the freedom you get, because once you're out of the college, once you're in job, you will never get this feeling. You'll never get this freedom anywhere else.
Thing, मतलब, I don't have one specific thing. There are a lot of things and I think college helped me develop my personality so much. I'll miss everything. मतलब मैं तो point out भी नहीं कर सकती यार.
Since you were actually the founding member of Sounds of Bennett, how do you think Sounds of Bennett has actually shaped your college experience?
It has I don't know what I can say about Sounds of Bennett. It's been the most important part of my life. 2 years, I've been there doing it with my team. I remember Aditi also was in my team when I was there. So yeah, it was a great experience to be there, hosting, doing RJing, having the RJ hunt, which I also feel that this team is due to do. So guys, please do the RJ hunt. It's an action event. Do that, and yeah, it has very, very nicely shaped my experience at Bennett, and it's very hopeful. I'm gonna hold that very dear to my heart.
Well, Sounds of Bennett, to us, at least to me, it has been like our child. I think if you would ask Shreya, she would also agree that Sounds of Bennett has been our baby for us. So seeing a club, your club, grow from, literally scratch to what it is and to a successful club, it is a really nice feeling, and I feel it has helped us a lot in terms of getting to know a lot of people who are besides not our degree, other degrees. It has helped us know them a lot. So
I think Sounds of Bennett has given me my identity. Anybody who knows me, सबसे पहले उनके दिमाग में आता है इब्सत है तो मतलब रेडियो है तो मतलब बोलना है, and that is what Sounds of Bennett means to me, and that is what I think I mean to Sounds of Bennett.
One last question. What advice would you give to the juniors who have taken reins of this club?
Well, I'm gonna say that be creative because this is the space where you can experiment, alright? So, and also remember to take some key takeaways from whatever you do here, because while everything that you learn in college is not going to be applicable to your practical life, this one will be, because this is nice. So guys, have fun, enjoy and learn.
honestly, just don't be a part of this thinking it's just a club. Like, truly invest yourself, because the people you find through this club are now going to be a part of your group and going to be one of the closest people.
I think just be yourself. बहुत क्लीशे लगता है सबको सुनने में हर जगह. Be yourself क्या होता है? But be yourself, because that helps you stand out from the crowd.
That's a wrap on our conversation with the incredible alumni of Sounds of Bennett. Thank you so much, seniors, for your journeys and experiences that you've shared with us. Your experiences highlighted the importance of passion and teamwork. This is Aditi Mukherjee with camera person Adrija Chakraborty, and you're watching